New from the leading national brand of sugar production in the United States, it's new Domino zero-calorie sugar. How does it work? We don't quite know. This product is so new, we didn't even change the printing yet. Whiff and I went out to breakfast this morning. We got coffee, and they got sugar packets there, and this has no sugar in it whatsoever. It's as thin as a piece of paper, but it is a true live packet that is sealed. I don't want to mess it up too much, but you can hear. How does this happen? That there's nothing in there. That was really amazing. I could not believe that. And I was the lucky one to get this packet. Out of all the tables in the restaurant, I'm sure I'm not the only one this has ever happened to. But I thought it was just rather interesting. And it also got me thinking a bit. When these things are sold, they're typically sold in a box. And I'd imagine that the box is sold by weight, or they verify the weight of it by that. Now, we're talking a very small amount. Does this actually even say? Yes, it does, as a matter of fact. Net weight, 3.53 grams. We're going to use grams because it's going to be bigger numbers to make it. This is not 3.53 grams. There's nothing in it. But let's go and see. I don't have any more sugar packets, but I do have some sweet and low packets. Let's test that out. I think you can read the screen. I have it set to grams. 1.3. Now, this does say net weight 1 gram. So 0.3 for the paper, just for fun. That doesn't even register on the scale. So 1.3, 1.3, 1.2. You might be saying, well, that was off center. No, that's 1.2. The paper thinner? No, I think the amount inside the packet would be different. 1.4. 1.2, 1.3, 1. Well, that was okay. Let's weigh it again. 1.3, 1.4. So there was one that was under the weight of that. Right. Oh, it changed. Ha! Look at that. Huh. It actually can weigh it. But anyway, I just thought that was really interesting, that there was absolutely no sugar in this packet, and it is a completely live packet. So I don't know if it's all sold by weight or if it's sold by count, but somebody got screwed somewhere, notably the restaurant, and I was the lucky one. So I ought to play the lottery tonight, but chances are very good my ticket is going to be worth 0. Anyway, thanks so much for watching. I really appreciate it. Make sure you click like, make sure you click subscribe, and take care. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.